Freaky girl of them girl them in love. Freaky woman of them girl them in love.
It is shot, don't it?
Have you ever had sex before?
That was good, right? Well, I one set, right? Oh yeah. There you go. You're gonna need this. There you go. Alright. Yeah. Alright, there you go.
Are you done?
Eh?
Was that it?
Yeah, right.
I felt nothing.
I joke, yeah, joke. Me don't walk my body out. What want to you? You don't get nothing.
Nothing but air.
Whew. That was good. Hold on.
Yeah, it really was. So I was thinking we get breakfast.
You want? Alright, let me.
Yeah.
What's your name again?
Okay.
K. K-A-Y. Number 27.
20 what?
Huh? Oh, this is for my National Geographic class. Yeah, we're doing a study on, like, you know.
What name is that above me?
So you said you want to do breakfast?
What name is that above me?
Breakfast? IHOP?
Is that my sister?
How you call that? I'll do my thing, you know, man. Oh, yes, that was amazing. So what do you want to... Just done. Boss! Yes, but wait. You forget you on the boats? The boats! You used to do gymnastics?
Yeah, I did actually back in high school.
Oh man, here you go. You're gonna need this. Yeah, just take it twice a day. Drink some water with it, alright? You'll be good. Alright. Oh. Top shot on homies. Chad! Who that? Chad, what you doing? You have to go get up now, you know. What? Get up. Get up, my mother. What you doing, Chad?
You told me she wasn't home.
Get up! What you doing? Alright, mommy, now come! Oh man, that was great. Yo, Chad, they moved the goat there? Nah. Never got teeth, me goat there. Woo! That was a good 5 minutes. Well, now that you've lasted throughout the whole time, there's a camera there, and there. And you've been pranked by MTV Pranks. It airs 9 o'clock, just so you know. It's taxi there, you know, you can go. You can get up and go now, you know. Yeah, man. See you later, yeah. You remember my number? That was great, man.
It really was. Did you try something new? Amazing. Totally different from last time.
Oh man, yeah, that was great.
I know.
Woo, we gotta do it again. Honey, I'm home. Who that?
Blood clot, yo.
Who that?
Put them and say, man, come blood.
Who in my bed?
Never see something when me love so. Every time I fuck, my cocky gets so.